The Loddon River is quiet this morning. Mist rolls gently along the water, gums sway softly, and the hum of the BYD Shark is the only sign of the world beyond the trees. We're parked just off the track, tailgate open, a simple kitchen, ready for a meal that ties two places together. This quiet riverbank in Victoria and the faraway villages of Isaan, where food and family are woven into every part of daily life. On the tailgate, our ingredients wait. Farm fresh eggs, ground beef from the butcher, rolled rice noodles, garlic roasted chilies, fish sauce and fresh herbs from our little patch at home. It reminds me of early mornings in Isaan, walking to the market just after dawn. The air cool and full of the smell of grilled meat and fresh herbs. Every stall overflowing with what's grown nearby. Sticky rice still warm. Herbs picked that morning. Vegetables still carrying the dampness of the fields. Here by the river, it's quieter, but the feeling is the same. Food is connection, no matter where you are. The wok heats fast, oil swirls and shimmers. The first dish today is Thot Khai, a Thai-style omelette that's as humble as it's loved. The egg slides into the pan and instantly it crackles, the edges crisp and bubble, turning the colour of the harvest fields under the sun. In Isaan, Thot Khai is everywhere, for breakfast with sticky rice, for lunch with vegetables from the garden, or as a late night snack when the house is still and the air hums with cicadas. It's always shared, laid in the centre of the table for everyone to tear into, sometimes dipped in nam jim, sometimes eaten plain. Here, by the Loddon, it cooks the same way. The smell rises, rich and familiar, wrapping the riverbank in something that feels like home.
Moving slow but never still, carrying the weight of what I feel. The sky is changing, so am I. Drifting on, I don't ask why. Every turn a different view. Still the water pulls me through. Let it take me where it goes. I don't fight, I just let go. Rolling away.
Next, we turn to the heat of Prik Nuea. Garlic hits the wok first, the smell sharp and clean, followed by chilies that bring that smoky bite. The ground beef sizzles as it drops in, the wok snapping and popping, every sound a promise of flavour. This dish comes from simplicity, from a time and place where nothing is wasted. In Isaan, beef is shared. It's ground fresh that morning, cooked quickly and eaten while it's still steaming, always with sticky rice to balance the spice. Neighbours stop by, bowls in hand, and the conversation drifts as freely as the meal itself. Here by the Loddon, that same spirit lingers, a quiet respect for the ingredients, and the joy of sharing something warm and honest. The last dish is Kui Tiao Lod, rolled rice noodles that soak up everything the wok gives them. A splash of soy, a touch of palm sugar, a little heat from chili, and the wok hum as the noodles dance. This is street food in Thailand. Fast, fragrant, and deeply comforting. In Isaan towns, you'll see it everywhere, at night markets where the air smells of charcoal and spice, in tiny roadside stalls with plastic chairs and laughter spilling out onto the street. It's food for everyone, for workers heading home, for families stopping to eat together, for children with coins clutched tight in their hands, waiting for a bowl. Out here by the quiet of the Loddon, it feels different, but the taste, that balance of sweet, salty and smoky, brings the memories rushing back. The rice cooker clicks softly, perfect timing. We played everything on the tailgate, the crisp omelette, the spicy beef, the soft glossy noodles. Steam curls into the cool morning air, carrying with it a promise that this meal will linger in memory. In the villages, eating together is everything. No one eats alone. Plates are shared, bowls passed around, and stories fill the space between bites. Here, it's just us by the river, and that same sense of connection is here, the unspoken comfort of sharing good food in a quiet place. Each bite feels like home, even so far away. As we settle in to finish the meal and enjoy life, the BYD hums softly, ready for the road again. The river moves slow, steady, the way it always has, a reminder that some things don't change, even as the world rushes past. Cooking here is simple, but it carries weight. A way of bringing the heart of Isaan into this quiet Australian landscape. Today it was Thot Khai, Prik Nuea and Kui Tiao Lod, 3 humble dishes that taste like home, no matter where the kitchen is. And as we drive away, full and content, the scent of chili and wood smoke lingers, a reminder that food, at its best, is a bridge between places, between people, and between moments you never want to forget. If this moment speaks to you, the food, the quiet, the connection, we'd love for you to join us again. Like the video, share it with someone who loves good food and quiet places, and subscribe to the channel to walk beside us on the next journey. Because out here, every meal tells a story, and every story is better when it's shared.